Often, our customers will upgrade to a custom seat after ordering to personalize their Phat. The process involves removing three 10mm nuts under the seat pan. One is located at the front, one is on the right side rear, and lastly, on the left side rear. Underneath, you will notice the three holes that the three seat posts will go through. Remove your replacement seat from its protective bag. Installation is in reverse order. Make sure to squeeze the seat down or even sit down on the seat to ensure the nuts are fully tight.